So my little buddy showed up. Hey, where you going? Say, ¿cómo está? Okay. Bye-bye. I'm going to Canada. You want to go? Canada. So guys, I just started this morning's video on the other side of the road I'm going instead of this side, and we're going to try to walk down to the fish ponds. It's a good little hike, and it's really hot, and it's a beautiful day. But hello, there's my buddy. He comes and says hello, and he's real happy to see me all the time. Okay, so let's try to cross this big. Look at that big truck coming. I mean, that's a big truck. We'll go ahead and cross the road here. Good morning. How are you guys? ¿Cómo está? I'm doing a YouTube vlog video. You guys want to be on it? Yeah. Here. You watch the YouTube? Yeah. If you will, subscribe and you'll see yourself on YouTube. I got you right here. You do it? You watch your YouTube? There's my buddy over there. He's a good guy. Okay, I'm going to walk this way and I'll come back and see you later, okay? Check yourself out on YouTube, man. Okay, we got some sorry store. Hello, how are you? Hi, good to see you. Hey, do you watch YouTube? Okay, so you guys, hey, you got some really fresh fish and everything in here, don't you? There you go. And what's your name?
I'm Minerva.
Minerva, and you are?
My son is Daniel.
Daniel, how you doing, Daniel? Good Bible name, Daniel. Oh. I'm sorry. Hey, I've got a broke chair like that too. I sit in it and went pow, broke. I'm from USA. But that's my channel. If you'll watch a video, like it and subscribe, it'll help my channel. I thank you. I'll be back by later. My wife comes out here and buys stuff from you guys sometimes. Okay. Here they're doing some construction work, building a very nice house. Hey guys, how you doing? ¿Cómo está? Nice, it's very nice. Looks good. Looks very good. I like that roof. Is that like for typhoon? See how it's like that? Is that like for a typhoon? Really nice, guys. Good work, guys. Good work. So, construction is manual labor, buddy, but they take pride in their work. Most of them do. I don't know about the new millennials. I've seen a little slacking there, but hey, how you doing? But the older fellas, you know, they take really pride in their work. And you know, these houses are built to withstand some killer winds and stuff like that. So let me see what we're doing here. Let's step right here and have a look at my video time. Hey doggy. Dog don't like me being too close. Hello, how are you? Just good. Good morning. Hey. So guys, I'm gonna try to make it down to the fish ponds, but hey, it's a hike, man, and it's already 33, 34. And I can feel this sweat blowing, but I do have a little bit of a wind. in Santa Lucia, and this is the main road that goes to Santa Ana behind me. And I'm headed towards, look at that house. I'm headed towards Kendaba. Hello. And we're gonna try to look there. That's a little boutique. And we're gonna try to make it to Fish Punch. Hello, how are you? Good morning. Good morning, sir. How are you? I try to give them a little inspiration for the day because I'm so upbeat, they say. And they say I give off good vibes. And I like that. But I'm just being me, guys, really. I mean, this is how I really am every day, all the time. It's a little insight into me. I'm just me. Here's another one of the stores. Sorry store. A little bit of everything here too, right beside one. Okay, so where we're at, dedicated recording. This looks like a very nice one too, buddy. This is Santa Lucia Barangay officials. This is the barangay. Hello, how are you? Good morning. USA. I live here though. I don't know them yet. Guys, look. I lived in Santa Lucia since I've been here, but I lived on the very other end, which is about 1 kilometer behind me. And I didn't get to visit these folks down here as much as I should have. I drove through a couple times. Got a video or two on me riding my my bicycle. And got one of me riding my motorcycle yesterday that it's not on this road, it's on the road, I guess right up here on the right. Hey! Everybody blows and says hello. But the construction, man, I mean, it's top notch. Top notch. And these are old houses. You know, even the newer houses, some of the construction around here is top notch. And then you run into a little downfall every now and then. There ain't nothing they can do about it. They've been there forever and they won't tear them down, you know. But I think these are, 90s, 80s, 90s. A lot of these are 80s and 90s houses because they got some very good steel. Hey, how you doing? Good morning. Anyhow, so, man, I really like the houses right in here on this street. But see, I can't live like that. I can't. I mean, I am. I'll take that back. I am living side by side where I live, but I got a street beside me, and nobody lives in front of me. And so it's really, hey, how you doing? Really, I only got one neighbor that's tied up against me on my right side if I'm sitting on the porch looking out. Look at this Ford. Look at it. The Filipinos, their babies are their plants. They don't have babies, they have plants. You know, they really take care of their gardens, no matter what. If they're in an apartment, a condo, look at this truck. It's my color and everything. They really take care of each other and their trucks and their plants are their babies. And if you can see, every once in a while we come across a place that they probably got kids that are grown and babies that are gone. And so they just start taking care of the plants around. Look at these mango trees right here on the road. It's a mess. Man, that's a nice one. But it's already harvested. I don't see anything in it. Anyway, there's the guy that I came to that one video for the. Hey, how you doing? Everybody says, hey, Joe. Hey guys, good morning. Kumusta? How are you? They don't know what to think. Some of them. Oh, what's he doing? What is he doing? Hello. See these? See this? I know flora, fauna, all that good stuff. But anyway, I'm keeping moving on. Hopefully, my stabilization on this camera is good. Pretty soon. Hey, how you doing? Good to see you. Hopefully my stabilization on the camera is pretty good. You can tell. Like this is probably a new construction there, but it's not not done all the way. But look at this one. Beautiful. I mean, look. Anyway, so we're just taking a stroll down the road. Hey, how you doing, man? You doing okay?
No money.
No money. I tell you what, maybe I'll make you a superstar. If you watch my YouTube channel, no money, no family. Me either, man. My wife just took all my money. What do they do with it? The wife, she takes all my money every time. now I have to make a video.
Thank you.
Thank you. How are you? That's a neighbor. I think she knows who I am. Anyway, yes, this is really the heart of Santa Lucia. Right before you get to Canada, and hello, how are you? You doing okay? And there's a little sorry store there. It's probably hers. Looks like she's about to bust. Okay, we're coming up on the gas trader. See, these are old houses. They don't even have a closed-in roof, really. And they'll probably be there forever. How you doing? Hello. Hello. How are you? Hello. Hello. Hi. How are you? Good morning. Red horse. They say they got the red horse for sale. Hello, how are you? See, everybody's real friendly, man. I get that every time I go out. I should have stopped and gave some cards away, but look, I'm out to trim down a little bit. Man, Betty's been feeding me really good. And I've gained 2 kilos, man. I gotta get rid of that. So that's like 5 pounds. I've gained 2 kilos, so it's time to walk. Now, I have to admit, I got sick. I got sick one time. I'm not even gonna stop the video. I'm just gonna let it run until it dies. I got sick one. Hello, how are you doing? Kuya, ¿cómo está? Ah, mabuti. Good. He's doing good. See, we got a little hardware store going on right here. Well, no, that's just an all-time store. All kinds of stuff in there. But it's still a sorry store. In standards. This is, I think this is a rental for a store. So those guys just packing in there as hard as they can to get the most income. Look at these plants right here. Really nice. Really nice garden in there. Really nice house. He's got TV antenna. And Yegi. Anyway, here's a lot. This lot's for sale. Right. I bet this would be worth a lot. Coconut trees. There's a dwarf coconut tree. And some palmettos. And ooh, there's a big coconut tree right there. It's not a dwarf. It's the big one. They produce a little bit more. Vulcanizing means they fix your tires here, man. That's what that vulcanizing sign means. I hope I'm level, guys, to the horizon there. I don't know. I'm sometimes crazy with this thing. I don't pay attention. I get to getting into the people around me, and I don't even pay attention to what I'm doing. Look at it here. See, they put all their pots out here so they can get good morning sunshine. And they may even, sometimes some people just take them out, and then they put them back behind those screens for shading in the harsh afternoon sun, in the hapon sun. Hey, how you doing, guys? Magandang umaga. I try to speak their language every now and then. Some of them like it, some of them like, you don't know what he's talking about. Put you down. But anyway, on down to the duck pond. I don't know if I'll make it, guys. It's still a little bit of town left here. Like a Lucia store, cat store. Here's a little one. And you don't run out of stores.